Just about every day, someone will ask, what's the best way to promote your business? Save Club, social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. People forget, yeah, there's still Twitter, X. There's even the Craigslist. There's classified ads that might be in just a tiny little town. Do you live in like Podoke, Iowa? BFG, Nebraska? All right, but there's always somewhere you can post. YouTube, of course, is always going to be popular. And with the new Save Club funnels system, you can even pay for traffic. Because some people, it might be you. You don't have time to post. You just don't. You're busy. Maybe you just don't like it. But you have a good job, you have a good savings, and you don't mind purchasing traffic. Because if you can get people to sign up, let's say, I don't know, 5, 10, 50 people a month based on a budget that makes you more than what your budget is, then great, scale up. Right now, if you sign up as a member and affiliate, I will make $20 to $32. And then, of course, there's more money to be made with our 5 ways we get paid. Tonight, we have the official Save Club compensation video being released. It's going to be released right around I think it's about 6 o'clock Pacific time, if I remember right. And of course, I'm going to blast it out to everybody because the comp plan is always one of the main questions. Okay, what is Save Club? All right, well, go search the deals. How much is it? Well, it's $19.97, $20 a month. Okay, I get that. Now, as an affiliate, how much? $60. It's $60 a year. So for $60, you got the next 12 months to relax and earn money. Do the best you can at getting good at clicking and inviting. That's all you do. Guys, click this link, watch this video. Boom. Let the videos do everything, please. Don't try to do a video like I'm even doing now unless you feel comfortable. I really like to do, I try to do 5 videos like this minimum a day. 10 minutes, sometimes they're webinar length. My webinars are about anywhere from 15 to 30. I try to teach as much as I can, and I definitely email my list like crazy. Anything that I learn, even if I pay for something and I think it's valuable, I give it to my downline. And most of the time I give it to just everybody that even asks. Because the more people we get in Save Club, the better savings. We're going to destroy Priceline in orbits. We already kick its ass. I've looked at flights and hotel and entertainment things. And the nice thing about Save Club is they show the price of our competitors. That way I know, okay, we're in the right area already. And tomorrow is our grand, opening. Ready, set, go, June 1st. Today is May 30th. So, what do? You join. You want to join now. No one knows about Save Club. The only ones that do are us that have YouTube videos, and maybe we're following each other's Facebook or Instagram, TikTok posts. So we think, oh boy, there's 1 million people doing Save Club. Hardly. There's only thousands. And out of those thousands of members, only a handful are affiliates. And you have to sign up underneath affiliates in order to grow the business worldwide up to 1 to 2 million people. I have no doubt there'll be 3, 4, 5 million people that will join Save Club because this is a worldwide thing. I have people signing up from Malaysia, Philippines, Africa. I have people, of course, in America. And the savings, you can already see what you can get. If you're in America, it's bleeding up to Canada, down to Mexico. Now, in the next 1, 3, 6 months, it's going to get wide open. There's going to be a lot of explosive growth on deals in China, Japan, Malaysia, kicking it. All right, I got a buddy right now. He lives in Malaysia, and he keeps stalling. And I'm telling you, you better hurry and join because I'm getting signups from Malaysia. And right now, there might be a maniac that goes on to sign up thousands and thousands of people. And you might be able to earn, and this is in my opinion, thousands, $5, $10, $15,000 a month. It just takes 2, 3 maniacs. You want someone like me underneath that can bring you thousands of people into your group. So if you're going to wait and do some studying, do whatever makes you comfortable. But today is May 30th. We have one more day until tomorrow. Boom. The pre-launch is over. It's hello, ready, set, go. And you probably will see maybe some celebrities or influencers or other people that are not promoting this business yet because they wanted to see what's going to happen over the last 30 days. Well, I know for a fact because I know a lot of people behind the scenes that have a business name, but they're too embarrassed to say that they joined Save Club because they're bullheading. If you look at all their old videos, they say, oh, I don't do that kind of business. Well, you bet your sweet ass you do now, because traditional MLM type companies like Nu Skin lost $500 million the last year or two. And every other MLM where you have to buy stuff to earn commissions, they've had a good 50 to 75 year run with Amway, Tupperware, of course, Mary Kay, and all these other MLMs. But this is not an MLM. You get paid similar to an MLM because you have a downline, a matrix. You have matching bonus. It's awesome. Oh man, you can really earn some scratch in this business with no education. I was kicked out of high school and had my son minutes after high school. I don't have an education, but I'm street smart as heck. Oh man, am I street smart. And when I see something that's worth my while and my time that will eventually pay, you can bet your little buns as well. Bet your mama. You see that pink mama hat? I'm celebrating my pinkness with my barbecue tan I got yesterday out in the sun. It's 90 to 95 degrees here in Utah the next 3-4 days, and I have car shows, like 3 or 4 car shows the next week. So boy, I'm going to look like a barbecue spare rib with a blonde beard. But if you're going to wait, don't wait much longer. You can join in my group. I got the biggest group. We have a couple Facebook groups I want you to join. We have free training, of course. We have free videos for you to use, all ready to go. They're neutral, where you just upload the video and then put your link underneath. Go to this link and sign up or get more information about Save Club. We will do all of that for you. The last 2 years, I've learned a lot about people. They want to do this type of business, but they just don't know how, and that's okay, and that might be you. And if you have no experience, good. I like people with 0 experience. You don't have any bad habits yet. But you have to post. Everyone's worried about statistics. You know, I could give a rat's ass about statistics. I'm too busy posting. I send 170,000 emails out every 24 hours. Ask me how. They pay me too. This company pays me thousands a month to go ahead and email. And that it goes right to the SaveClubFunnels.com system. I post on YouTube. Some of my videos, they get good views. Some get hardly any at all. But you know what? I get signups because I'm able to attract people that are serious about saving money or wanting to save money on something in the future, like maybe a trip. And they also want to earn money as an affiliate. Well, right now, there's not a better opportunity. There's just not. And how do I know? Because everyone, usually every week, sends me an opportunity. And when you're on the leaderboard, and right now I have 8 incomes online, CoryDraper.com. Go there, and every single one of my incomes complements each other. Some is education, some is an email system, and some is nutrition, like Live Good, my products on my mini fridge over there. That's what got me started with my technique of how I do video and how I recruit. Well, right now, I'm doing great. You know, I've signed up 10 people in Live Good the last week or so, where most people, they're just kind of drifting. How do I get signups in Live Good while I do Save Club and produce car shows and own a radio station about 7 feet on the other side of that wall? I love working, and this is fun. I wish I could really say, oh man, you got to hustle and bustle. But if you can go on a webcam or do email or post content already made for you, this is your opportunity. Get addicted to the fun. Make TikTok fun. Make Instagram or Facebook fun. Cluck like a chicken while you're sitting at a desk like I do. Open an ice cold drink on a 90-degree day and let's celebrate. Guys, we're alive. I don't know where you live, but I live in Utah. Beautiful mountains. You should see the back of this building where I live. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. Holy crap, I have the Wasatch Mountains. They're about 9,000 feet tall, and right now all the snow's melting, but it's all beautiful green. It smells good. The air is crisp. I'm a big fan of Utah. That's why I live here. I have a lot of fun. And I hope if you need some extra money, this is your chance. If you just need that opportunity where you need a little help, here's my arm. Come on. We're not going to let you down. If you're in my group, I'm not going to let you drift. Because if you make money, guess who makes more money? Your boy here, Pink Mama. So, Pick, choose, decide, search, research, pick your nose, stall, but get it over with fast because it is the last day of May. Tomorrow is the official kickoff to Save Club. I've been promoting this the last 30 days. I've put about $4,000 in my pocket. I think more than that just through Save Club. I've saved $950 and I've earned over $800 with the funnel system. So a total value of $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 have already, I guess, blessed me and my nipples. So thank you. But I need you to join now. I'm building a big team now. I want you to be an affiliate now. You got $60? Good. You got another 20? Right on. You're a member and you're an affiliate. Join. I'm going to send you an email and we're going to rock and roll until you just start wearing pink mama hats. Do I need to send you one of these? So you have to look weird walking around the mall or walking into your family party. It's the Pink Mama Brigade. Do I have to name my group the Pink Mamas? Who's your mama? All right, let me show you my cards. I love saveclub.com. All right, skedaddle. Get your buns over there. Look at I love saveclub.com and then go to saveclubfunnels.com. I promote both. Both of these links, they lead to videos. They both get me signups like crazy. All right, I've signed up about 20 people just in the last week now. All right, and I want you to do the same. I want you to copy what I do and then come up with your own twist or technique. But right now, what I'm doing seems to work. So let's have some fun. It is a Friday. It's May 30th, not 31. I think tomorrow's June 1st. There is no 31 days in May, right? Yeah, I got to look at my calendar because every month seems like there's 31 except for February. Let me flip my calendar. Yeah, tomorrow's June number uno, right? Or is there 31 days? Okay, you know what? I bullcrapped. There's 31 days. So we have another full day before June 1st. But I know around midnight to 6 in the morning on June 1st, we're going to have to skedaddle. We're going to have to haul some ass. But you know what? I already got a massive head start. So if you join my team, I'm going to show you how I've signed up almost 100 people already with groups of hundreds already. Free material, a lot of cool stuff right for you. All right, guys, I'm at 12 minutes and I'm going to go drink my little drinky already, okay? Have a good Friday if you're watching me live. Go to both those links right below my Pink Mama little hat here, my pink shirt I got at Walmart for $6. And if you have questions, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Get a hold of me. I'll help you. Even if you're not in my group, don't worry about it. You signed up with someone else, that's cool. Let's just get the funnel system, or we'll get some training and figure out a nice routine for you, okay? All right, have a good one, guys. Watch my videos and subscribe to YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.